Hi, and welcome to today's 90 Seconds of XRP. Stay tuned to know today's XRP news. Ripple files a motion to exclude the expert testimony of one of SEC's experts. Ripple wants court to exclude one of SEC expert testimony. Ripple noted that instead of giving an opinion on whether its XRP sells constituted security, SEC expert 2's testimony offered a tutorial to the jury on the registration and disclosure of security offerings under the SEC Act of 1934. Crypto Law US publishes all redacted Daubert Motion from SEC versus XRP. Daubert Motion filings are a type of motion that seeks to exclude the expert's testimony presentation to a jury. XRP bulls to target 42 cents as investors digest the SEC versus Ripple filings. On Friday, XRP rose by 2.86%. Investor sentiment toward the SEC versus Ripple case delivered support alongside the broader crypto market. The technical indicators are bullish, with XRP sitting above the 50-day EMA, signaling a return to 45 cents. In the other news, XRP now among top 10 most traded assets by 500 biggest BSC whales. XRP is the fourth most purchased token by the 100 largest BSC whales. The asset has now secured a position on the top 10 list of assets by trade volume among the 500 largest whales on Binance Smart Chain in the past 24 hours. You can see XRP price. Don't forget to subscribe and don't miss my daily 90 seconds of XRP.